What are you looking at, Anisha?
You will be surprised if I tell you what is this. This is a computer.
Really? This is so big and heavy. My computer does not look like this at all. Let us ask our teacher about this computer.
Dear kids, each one of us uses a computer in some form or the other. But the early computers don't even resemble what most would consider a computer today. In this video, we will see how the computers evolved over the period of time. We will start with early calculating devices. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning. Abacus was the first calculating device that was created about 5,000 years ago by the Chinese educationists. Abacus is a tool to represent numbers with the help of beads. Number of beads in the rods together tell us the number represented on the abacus. Abacus is used for simple calculations like addition and subtraction. Another calculating device called Napier's bones was developed in 1614 by a scientist named John Napier. Napier's bones was a manual calculating device using strips of ivory or other types of material that were divided into sections. The sections were marked with numbers or digits and were used primarily for multiplication and division. Besides multiplication and division, Napier's bones also supported calculation for addition, subtraction, and square root. Another mechanical calculating tool called Pascaline was invented by a French mathematician and philosopher named Blaise Pascal in 1642. It was also called as Arithmatique. This early ancestor of the pocket calculator counted whole numbers by the cogs, or teeth, on a cogwheel. The cogwheel was connected to a mechanical gear system. The machine could add or subtract numbers having up to 8 figures at a time. The next calculating device was invented by Leibniz in 1671, named as Leibniz Calculator. A Leibniz wheel or stepped drum is a cylinder with a set of teeth of incremental lengths, which, when coupled to a counting wheel, can be used in the calculating engine of a class of mechanical calculators. This calculator was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It was faster and less time-consuming than Pascaline. Another calculating device named Difference Engine was developed by a British mathematician, Charles Babbage, in 1822. The difference engine was more than a simple calculator. It mechanized a whole series of calculations on a number of variables to solve a complex problem. Difference engine is considered as one of the first mechanical computers. Many of the principles used today in computer design are based on it. Analytical Engine is another engine which was developed by Charles Babbage in 1837. The Analytical Engine contained an ALU or Arithmetic Logic Unit, basic flow control, punch cards, and integrated memory. This engine could perform arithmetic functions. Charles Babbage's first engine is also called the first general-purpose computer. That's why Charles Babbage is also known as the father of computer. Ada Lovelace, whom Charles Babbage mentored, was the first computer programmer. Herman Hollerith, an American, invented the machine called Tabulating Machine or Tabulator in 1880. It was an electrical device. The tabulator could record and store information on punch cards. It was a basic invention to compute the population of the USA. Later, Herman Hollerith's tabulator became so popular and successful that he started his own company that later became International Business Machines or IBM. Here is the timeline of evolution of computers from early times till 19th century. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.